Welcome back. In today's video, I will teach you about simile, metaphor, and personification. Without further ado, let's get started. Simile. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two things that are different from each other but have similar qualities. These are generally formed through the usage of the words as or like. Examples: he's as strong as an ox. Her eyes sparkled like diamonds. The water was as cold as ice. She's as busy as a bee. His voice is smooth like butter. The night was as dark as coal. The child is as playful as a kitten. The desert was hot as an oven. Her laughter is like music. He's as sly as a fox. The forest was quiet as a mouse. The car roared like a lion. The coffee was as bitter as gall. The storm raged like a beast. Metaphor. As a figure of speech is a poetic device, a metaphor is used in order to draw a comparison between unrelated things in an implicit or hidden way. Or, this is used when a poet tries to resemble two opposite things or objects on basis of some common characteristics. Time is a thief. The world is a stage. Love is a battlefield. Her voice is music to his ears. His heart is made of stone. The classroom is a zoo. The city is a melting pot of cultures. The internet is a vast ocean of information. His words were a soothing balm. Her smile is a ray of sunshine. The book was a passport to another world. His temper is a volcano, ready to erupt. The meeting was a minefield of tension. The test was a mountain to climb. Personification. Amongst all the poetic devices, personification is a simple one to understand. As the name suggests, you need to personify inanimate objects or plants or animals or any other living beings with human qualities, thus transforming your poetry into lively and filled with imaginary and description. Examples: the sun smiled down on the beach. Time crept up on me. The flowers danced in the breeze. The stars winked in the night sky. The stubborn door refused to open. The leaves rustled in the wind's embrace. The city never sleeps. The suitcase sat patiently by the door. The camera captures memories. The pen danced across the paper. The storm angrily lashed out at the coastline. The car's engine coughed and sputtered. The grasshopper played its tune in the field. The waves frolicked in the sunlight. The shadows crept across the room. Thanks for watching.